Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'd like to talk about Ethereum BTC trading pair, Ethereum USDT trading pair, and we'll check the potential for maybe upcoming altcoin season. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I already posted today the video about a BTC, so I highly recommend you go and check. Also, there's a lot of lines on the charts from the bottom to the top. How many days? Here, previous cycle, for example, from that low, it was December 18, from low on Ethereum to hit new all-time high, it took 1,064 days. All right, from that low, what I'm marking in June 2022, if the history repeat, I'm not a fan of patterns, if the history repeat, the idea of the end of altcoin season in spring 2025 can be still relevant. Maybe I will find that chart again, or maybe I will find that oldest video for that one. But here, everything market before, so May 12, 2025, that week, it can be the potential end of altcoin season. Looks weird, right? 609 days from the correction on COVID dump, we reached it like 600 days, and it's playing out almost perfect. And basically from that correction, I made a video in May 2024. We got like 357 days till that potential all-time high and the end of altcoin season for alts. So basically from this week, we get like 189 days if the pattern repeat. I don't think so it repeat. Of course, guys, not all altcoins will perform together, right? So you have to understand that there's impossible to pump all tokens in the same time. Some sectors, not some altcoins, some sectors will perform faster, some slower, some sector will lagging, so we can't know which sector will pump first, right? So basically, of course, it can be the meme tokens. It's easiest. Also, the Solana performed pretty good one. I'm not telling you that Solana is Ethereum killer or so, no, but yes, Solana now grab a lot of attention from investors. All meme sector on Sol performed pretty good one, much better, I guess, than meme tokens on Ethereum. And like you can see, a lot of altcoins built on Ethereum is lagging. My take for Ethereum is around 6,964 based on this fee. So you remember this fee. And the next step it's 10K to 122. I'm not a fan of all these stories. So the Bitcoin going to 200,000 and 300,000, Ethereum going to 20K and all of that stuff, guys. I'm more than realistic with the targets. So will be more than okay to see Ethereum around here and around here. It's not necessary, so we will touch till penny. But it will be not a mistake to fix some profit at this area or at this area. And of course, I don't think so. This was like a cat bounce for Ethereum. I think that when the Bitcoin dominance is going down, when the Ethereum BTC trading pair Ethereum start perform, and the money start outflow from the Bitcoin to Ethereum, then from Ethereum to another altcoins on Ethereum or on Solana, or on maybe Tron, maybe Arbitrum, Optimism will follow. The main idea is, I guess, the AI sector will perform again. I'm not sure about layer 2, but like a brand new sector, maybe it will perform also. I guess the GameFi sector will perform. Real world asset sector, I don't think so. It will perform so fast. This cycle, I think it's more for the distance. For the next cycle, we will see the performance. Now we stop it at 23 by FIBA global one, and we build a structure. So technically, even if we use like lower low, higher high, higher low, lower high, higher low. So to break the structure, we need to drop under the COVID dump. And of course, I don't think so we will drop. It's not necessary, so we should drop and sweep once again the liquidity of this one, 2,150. It's not necessary, so we hold the line here. And about Ethereum BTC. So you remember that idea, what I updated 2 hours ago. I posted it in October 12th. So the main take was here, the money inflow in alts. It was in October, step by step. The lowest point I expected, the test of the buy line closed the monthly full fill and test 0.03466. So we stop at 0.0 34.65. Touch it. It's not necessary, so it's the end of correction. So already we feel the monthly fair value gap, but yes, we can drop lower because the lines are dynamic. You remember I shared with you. So here the monthly line dynamic and drop a little bit lower. So yes, technically we touch it that previous candle monthly, because that time in October at the beginning it was here and we touch it. So I marked that level. Now the buy line, it's 0.03411. But of course, it's not necessary, so we will touch till penny. But previously, yes, it playing out like till penny. The targets also for altcoin season, I mark it here. This is a yearly open, so anyway, sooner or later, believe it or not, but we will bounce to yearly open on this trading pair, and most likely we will test this one, 0.06780. At this current moment, I'm not sure about an exit line. And around here, guys, it will be the end of altcoin season. Around this block. And Bitcoin dominance till that time, I don't know, it's hard to say, will be maybe 47%, maybe 45, 40%. It's hard to say, but be ready to fix the profit from altcoins. Of course, on Ethereum BTC, it looks like nothing, not a big deal, right? Like 100% pump. Ethereum BTC, right? But we will see how other altcoins perform. I don't think so we will go and sweep that high. So I'm more conservative with my targets. So I think a chart in the future, we will form some like crazy tiny triangle, right? It's hard to say when. Maybe it will be the January 27, right? So it's hard to say when exactly. But then I guess we will see something like this one. And the main crazy perform on altcoins with maybe some mass adoption in the real world sector, and sweep that high around zone 28, zone 29, maybe zone 30. It's hard to say, but yes, most likely we'll form something like that triangle, global one. Yes, it's like a mess on the chart now. Once again, let's take a look on a weekly time frame with my custom indicator, what's going on with Ethereum. Technically, without any divergences, Ethereum move. So to form the divergence, we need to drop and form lower low. So I guess we will not drop and not form the lower low. So this was a time to fix altcoins. Now no new accumulations. So this is kind of bad. This is kind of scary. Of course, I'm not a fan of all that story. So we have to see the flash crash before we'll see the real move. No, guys, it's not necessary. So the people can be not trapped. The people just can miss at the moment where they need to take an action, because we take an action or not. Time to accumulate. It was in December, December 2022, January 2023. It was a crazy accumulation. We never seen the biggest accumulation on Ethereum ever, like it was in June 2022. So everybody who want to accumulate Ethereum, if we take a look on a monthly time frame, so it would be good to see the same divergence like on a BTC, something like this one. Where will be the top? It's hard to say. It will be logical to see the continuation here to the top. Here's something like this one. It's hard to say when. Maybe it will be here, May 25, and we'll form something like this one. Take a look, money power market mode. Money power will lay down at the bottom. So here was a money inflow. Here was a money outflow. Now, no new money inflow. So this kind of bad for Ethereum. Hope. So this is not a free year, nothing. It's just a hope for Ethereum on a weekly time frame. And the last two indicators, trade on, sell. Here's a buyback. So step by step, yes, definitely the whales accumulate, but the big problem and big differences between the retails and the whales, they don't care about the timing. So buy line on a weekly time frame for Ethereum, it's 1,600. I don't think so. We'll drop so low. If we will, it's going to be pretty crazy. Daily time frame, the same story. So here, now we're just in the range. I don't like the situation when we trade in the middle. That's why need to wait the FOM's decision and need to wait the Monday. Even on the daily time frame, the buy line is around zero level, 1,600. And take profits is 3K360. Exit line is 3,797 at this current moment. 12-hour time frame, almost at the same level. So even the daily buy line, 12-hour time frame buy line, weekly time frame buy line. All targets still relevant for Ethereum. Besides the main videos, now all eyes on Ethereum BTC trading pair. So guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. If you want to trade with my custom indicator set what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.